let's get into how natural the brow looks. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the fashionceesta family. Today, we are introducing a new brow product. This has become my holy grail. This product looks good, whether or not I'm in a full beat, or you know, I'm just needing to run a quick errand, I'm going to work, and I don't feel like doing my makeup. Like, the product that I'm talking about is NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. If you guys have not seen this or heard about it, NYX has released a new brow product. It comes in 10 different shades. The shade that I chose was Espresso. If you guys are not new to my channel, then you guys know that I love my NYX micro brow pencil. The brow pen is $11. And I paid $9.99 for it because y'all know Ulta be having that $3.50 off of every 15 or $10 that you spend depending on when you catch it. So yeah, I paid $9.99 for the pen, but it does retail for $11, which is just $1 more than the micro brow pencil. NYX does currently have a coupon on their website to get 20% off. So if you are looking to save some money and you want to try the brow pen out, you can either get it from Ulta or you can get it from the NYX website. So this is what the pen looks like. It basically obviously tells you the name, and then on this side it shows you the shade number. So essentially the same way that the regular brow pencil is set up is the same way that the pen is set up. Now when you pop the top off, it's this very thin and skinny brow pen. I showed it on my Instagram live the other day, but like when I tell you, you can get so detailed with your brows. Like whenever I'm not wearing makeup like at all, I just would never fill in my brow with like the brow pencil crayon because I just feel like it just looks like you filled in your brows. Whether you have makeup on or not, this brow tint pen is amazing. It mimics brow hairs. I don't know that I would necessarily recommend this for someone who is starting off with doing makeup and trying to learn how to do brows, because it definitely does take a steady hand to make sure that this just doesn't look crazy. But baby, if you know what you're doing with brows and you're into the bushy brow look, or you like a more natural brow look like myself, you need this pen. I'm gonna go ahead and do one brow off camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I use the Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen on this brow. This right brow is done, and if you guys like, just let's get into how natural the brow looks. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's get into her. The brow pen is given very much, you know, I woke up like this. I just really love, like I said, how natural this pen looks. If I don't want to wear makeup at all, but I want my brows to look put together without looking like I filled in my brows, this brow pen has been literally saving my life. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this demo now that the right brow is done, and kind of show you guys exactly my method behind like filling in the brow. And hopefully when I zoom this in, it's not botchy, so that way you guys can truly get the essence of like how I'm able to like fill the brows in and keep them super natural. You want to get a spoolie and you want to brush your brow hairs into place. Personally, I'm just getting some of the hair glue out of the way, and I literally just use like a very light hand, and I make little hair strokes where the hair is sparse. So like right here, it looks like it should be some brow hair there, like it should be some brow hair here. So y'all see, just like even with those little strokes, how like the brow is just already given, right? It's very much given, you know, microbladed tease. and I love that for me. As I'm filling in the brow, I do like to make sure that I'm like checking my work as I go, because I definitely don't want to overfill them in, because the point is for the brow to look natural, right? So right here where it's super bald at, y'all see how like this pen is very much given like real life natural brow strokes. Ugh, I just stand for this pen. And that is it. Like the brows are very much just like, they're giving. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I'll come back on with my final, well, I don't really have a final verdict. I'm just gonna finish up my face and do an outro. This is what it's giving. I absolutely love my brows. Like I said, this pen has been saving my life because it's giving me a very nice natural brow versus the more Instagram style brow where it's structured and everything is filled in and it looks more like a coloring book than a natural eyebrow. So if you don't listen to nothing else I've ever told you on this channel, get that L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, but also get this NYX brow tint pen. Like for $11 and you can use a coupon on it, like sis, you winning. Like I don't understand the reason to not get it. I will leave the product in the description as well as the shade that I use if you guys didn't catch it at the beginning. Alright guys, so as I said before, I was gonna go finish the rest of my makeup off camera, come back so you guys can see everything with the brows. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, you found it informative, and if you guys have any other video requests that you'd like to see from me, definitely leave them down below in the description box and I'll be sure to get those filmed and out to you guys. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you all in my next video.